Hi guys, this is my version of kimchi fried rice. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef, I'm Rick. Today's menu, kimchi fried rice. Really simple, and when I say simple, I mean simple. Let's show you how to do this. Right guys, we get some bacon. We'll just cut this into a little centimeter pieces actually. Now what we'll do is we'll just put it on a tray. We get that on there, and then we want to take some ham. And we want to do about the same size, nice and steady, straight through, some nice cubes, and put that on our tray as well. This is all going to go in our fried rice. Okay guys, what we want to do is take some onions, and we're going to cut this into about 1/2 centimeter pieces. So that's about enough there, and all we need to do is put that in our bowl. Nice and steady in the bowl. Job done. Right guys, what we're going to do is get the heat on, and we're going to go in with some bacon. So let's get some bacon in there. Put our bacon in. Give it a little gentle stir around. Nice little bit of colour on there guys, not too much though, we don't want to burn this, but we do want to cook it off and bring the oil out, because we're going to use the oil from this bacon to cook our ham. There we go guys, that's about cooked. What we need to do now is go in with our ham. So let's get some ham in there. Let's put our chopped ham in there. Give that a stir around. Okay guys, in with our kimchi. Get our kimchi in there. Now you can use any kimchi guys, but this is my homemade kimchi, which we make here. And I'll just show you our homemade kimchi, if you can see that with our label on. And we'll leave that for another video. So just give that a nice little turning over in there. It's a very quick stir fry this guys, it's not hard at all, you know. We just need to warm that kimchi back through, give it a little bit of a cooking, and then we're going in with our rice. Very easy, very quick. Okay guys, what we're going to do, we're going to go in with our 1-day-old rice actually. So we're going to put that in there. Get it all in. And we're going to give it a good stir in. Mash it all up in there, take out the lumps, and give it a stir around. Break up your lumps of rice as we go in. There we go. Now that rice has taken on all that moisture from that kimchi, so we need to give this a stir fry to dry it out a little bit. Right guys, in with just a little bit of soy sauce, just a touch in there, because our kimchi, don't forget, is already seasoned. So give that a work round very quickly. Oh, the smell is amazing. Right, in with our sugar guys, and a little touch of sesame oil, just a little touch. Give that a stir around. Now it's up to you whether you use sesame oil or not. Some people won't use it, you know, but I quite like the flavour of this in here. Right guys, we're just going to go in with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Give that a stir in. Toss it all over. Get it in there. Well, that looks amazing. That looks absolutely amazing. Right guys, in with some green onions. And then we're going to turn off the flame and just stir this through. Don't forget, these onions will actually cook in the residual heat in this pan. So we don't have to worry about those. And that looks absolutely amazing. Just look at that. That's our kimchi fried rice done. Perfect. All we got to do now is fry an egg. In fact, we'll fry 2 eggs. And we'll just dress this up on a plate. Right guys, a little bit of oil in a pan so we can fry our egg. Okay guys, in with our egg. If we can, that's 1 egg. Move the oil around actually. And then in with our second egg. Try not to break the yolks. Right guys, let's just get a little bit of oil on the yolk there. I'm going to try and keep these yolks a little bit soft so they actually run on our kimchi fried rice. All we need to know now guys is serve it up. Absolutely fantastic guys. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you next time. Oh, amazing. That is amazing.